Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the Google Play services keep stopping. So the first thing that you can do is just simply hold your power key on your device, then click on reboot or restart and just simply restart your phone. Now after doing the restart, if you're still facing the issue, the next thing that you can do is just simply go to your phone settings and search for date and time. Then click on date and time. Now make sure to enable this particular option which says use network provided time, or it might also say use automatic time. So just simply keep this enable. Now after doing that, if you're still facing the issue, the next thing that you can do is just simply again go to your home screen, then just simply hold for a few seconds on your Play Store icon, then click on app info. Now firstly just simply click on force stop, then click OK. After that just simply click on clear data and click on clear cache, then click OK. And after that, in the end, just simply click on uninstall updates, then click on OK. After doing that, just simply again open your Play Store. After that, so just simply wait for it, and after it is opened, just simply click on the three lines at the top left corner, then go to settings, then just simply scroll down and click on Play Store version and see if you have an update or not. If you have, just simply update it and then it should be fixed. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.